Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. In this video, I will show you how to animate black bars in DaVinci Resolve 18. Let's say this is our clip and we want to add a black bar on the top and at the bottom. What you want to do is click the clip, go over to the start of the clip, and then here on the inspector on the video you can see the cropping tab. If it's closed, just click it to open it, and here you can see crop top and crop bottom. Just click the diamonds to the right of both. Then move the cursor to the point in the clip where you want the black bars to be. So let's say just here, click again the both diamonds, and now you can adjust how to crop it. For example, 107.200 like this. Now if we let play, it already looks like this. The black bars are getting added. If you want to even more adjust them, you could just click here in the clip in the bottom right on the diamonds, and here you have your keyframes. You can, for example, just move it to the left so the effect will appear faster, like this. Or if you right click on the diamond, you can go from linear to ease in. So it's like a smooth transition at the end. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to animate black bars in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.